I am Dahl Aetheron. In this quick lecture, we are going to build a simple Java CRUD library using AWS Lambda and DynamoDB. The best part is that we don't need any coding tools or servers running in the background. Just these two AWS services are enough to handle all the CRUD operations. Here is the plan. First, we will create a DynamoDB table. Then we will write a small Java handler, package it into a jar, and upload it into Lambda. After that, we will expose the function through a Lambda function URL. Finally, we will test everything with curl commands and check the logs in CloudWatch. The cost for this setup is almost nothing, about 30 cents a month if you keep it running. That's way cheaper than EC2, and that's one of the big advantages of serverless. The architecture is simple. The client sends a CRUD request, Lambda runs the code, and DynamoDB stores the data. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Create a DynamoDB table. We are in the AWS console. Let's go to DynamoDB and click Create Table. For the table name, type books. For the partition key, type ID. Then click Create Table. That's it. Our table is being ready. Step 2. Write and upload the Java handler. And then step 3. Create Lambda function. Now we need a small Java package. The folder structure here is important. Create a folder called BookHandler. Inside it, add a pom.xml file and a src folder. The pom.xml file defines the dependencies we need to build our jar. Inside the src folder, create a main/java/com/example/lambda path. And in that folder, create a file called BookHandler.java. This file will contain our CRUD methods for DynamoDB. Check the link below this video. I uploaded pom.xml and Java handler file. Once the code is ready, go to the BookHandler folder and run mvn clean package. This generates a jar file inside the target folder. Now let's create the Lambda function. In the console, give it the name createBook. And choose Java 17. And click Create Function. Now let's upload the jar file we just built. Next, go to Configuration tab. Let's go to Function URL. Click Create Function URL. Set auth type to none and save. Now we have a public function URL that we will use for testing. Let's do some settings. Go to the Code tab and set the handler name. It needs to match our package and class. In this case, it's com.example.lambda.BookHandler. Then we need to give Lambda permission to access DynamoDB. Go to Configuration tab and then go to Permissions, click the role name. Now attach the policy Amazon DynamoDB full access. Now our function can talk to DynamoDB. Step 4. Test the function. Now it's time to test. I have uploaded a test script. The link is below the video. Don't forget to replace it with your own Lambda URL and the IDs you get back from your table. First, let's create a book. The response includes a new ID. We will use that ID for the next test. Now let's get the book we just created. Let's also check the logs in CloudWatch by going to the Lambda Monitor tab and clicking on CloudWatch. Now let's update. And it updates successfully. Finally, let's delete it. And it's gone. That's it for this lecture. A complete CRUD library using just Lambda and DynamoDB. If you like this video, please subscribe. I build AWS infrastructure and also create AWS lectures. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me at dahlaetheron@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.